Story 12. One of the Aleman had many eaters to provide for, and only a slender income. In this fact, he communicated to a great man of whose character he entertained a very favorable opinion, but his expectations were disappointed because the man made a wry face and averred that, according to his opinion, applications from respectable persons for aid are unbecoming. Which is nonsense. If people have needs, people have needs. It doesn't matter, you know. With a face made sad by misfortune to a dear friend, do not go, because thou wilt embitter his life also. For the needful for which thou appliest, go with a fresh and smiling face. The man of joyful countenance will not be unsuccessful in his affairs. It is related that the great man augmented his stipend a little, but considerably diminished his familiarity towards him, and when he perceived after some days that it was not as usual, he recited, "Evil is the food which the time of degradation acquires. The kettle is indeed placed, but the dignity is lowered. He increased my bread, but diminished my honor. Poverty is better than the degradation of asking." Again, it's not dishonorable to ask for what you need.